to infinity, h is b minus a upon n and a. Now terms of h. Take h common. We have left with 1 plus 2, so on up to n minus 1. b minus a, limit n tends to infinity, b minus a, na upon n, h is b minus a upon n, sum of n minus 1 terms of ap, n into n minus 1 by 2. Now in the next step, limit n tends to infinity, b minus a plus b minus a by 2, take n common, put the limit n tends to infinity, a plus b minus a by 2, 1 minus 0. b minus a, take the LCM, 2a plus b minus a. b minus a, b plus a by 2. a plus b into a minus b. b square minus a square by 2. b square minus a square by 2. Next one is integral of x squared dx, and the limit goes to 2 to 3. Try it by yourself. Its answer is 19 by 3. Now the next one is integral of x square minus x. Integral of x square minus x dx, limit goes to 0 to 2. h is upper limit minus lower limit by n. f of x is x square minus x, f of a. Now f of a plus h. a plus h whole square minus a plus h. Open the bracket. a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. a square minus a terms of h, 2a minus 1 plus h square. Now value of function at a plus 2h. f of a plus 2h whole square minus a plus 2h. a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a minus 2h. a square minus a, terms of h is take 2h common, 2a minus 1 plus 4h square. Now so on up to f of a plus n minus 1 into h. a plus n minus 1 h whole square minus a plus n minus 1 into h. Open the bracket first. a square plus b square plus 2ab minus a minus n minus 1 into h. a square minus a, n minus 1h common, 2a minus 1 plus n minus 1 square h square. Now put the value of these functions in the given formula. Limit n tends to infinity, h f of a is a square minus a plus 2a minus 1 into h plus h square plus a square minus a plus 2h into 2a minus 1 plus 4h square, so on up to a square minus a, 2a minus 1, n minus 1h plus n minus 1 square h square. Now a square minus a is common in all the terms, so it will comes n terms. N times a, limit n tends to infinity, h, n times a square minus a, take 2a minus 1 into h common from the terms of h. Here we left with 1, 2 and so on up to n minus 1. Now terms of h square, 1, 4 is 2 square, so on up to n minus 1 square. H is 2 by n, limit n tends to infinity to n a square minus a by n, 2a minus 1 by n, h is 2 by n, sum of n minus 1 terms of AP is n into n minus 1 by 2, h square is 4 by n square, sum of square of terms is n minus 1, 2n minus 1 by 6. N will cancel. Now put the values. N will cancel here. 2 will also cancel. Limit n tends to infinity. 2. Limit n tends to infinity. 2. A is 0. A is 0 minus 1 by n. Take n common. 1 minus 1 by n. Plus 2 by 3 n square, n into 1 minus 1 by n and n into 2 minus 1 by n. Put the limit n tends to infinity, minus 1, 1 minus 0, 2 by 3, 1 minus 0 and 2 minus 0. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 4 by 3. Minus 3 plus 4, 1 by 3, 2 by 3. 2 into 1 by 3, so the answer is 2 by 3. Now the next one is question is integral of 2x square plus 5x. Integral of 2x square plus 5x dx. Limit goes to 1 to 3. H is b minus a by n, 2 by n. F of x, 2x square plus 5x. F of a, 2a square plus 5a. Now f of a plus h. 2 times a plus h whole square plus 5 into a plus h. Open the bracket. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus 5a plus 5h. 2a square plus 5a terms of h. 2 into 2, 4a plus 5 into h plus 2h square. 2a square plus 5a plus 4a plus 5 into h plus 2h square. Now f of a plus 2h. 2 times a plus 2h whole square plus 5a terms of h. 4 into 2, 8. 8a plus 10. Take 2 common. 4a plus 5h. 4 into 2, 8h square. Now so on up to f of a plus n minus 1 into h. 2 times a plus n minus 1 into h whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 5a, 5 into n minus 1 into h. 2a square plus 5a terms of n minus 1 into h. 2 into 2, 4a plus 5 n minus 1h plus 2 n minus 1 square h square. Now put the values of these functions in the formula. Limit n tends to infinity, h is 2 by n, f of a 2a square plus 5a plus 2a square plus 5a, 2a square plus 5a plus 4a plus 5h plus 2h square plus 2a square plus 5a plus 2 times 4a plus 5 into h plus 8h square, so on up to 2a square plus 5a plus 4a plus 5 into n minus 1h plus 2 n minus 1 square h square. Now see the term which is common. 2a square plus 5a comes in all the terms. So limit n tends to infinity, 2 by n times 2a square plus 5a. Now terms of h. 4a plus 5 into h, 2 times 4a plus 5 into h. So take 4a plus 5 into h common. Here we left with 1, 2 and so on up to n minus 1. Now terms of h square. Take 2h square common. Here we left with 1. 2 into 4, 8. So we can write 4 as 2 square. So on up to n minus 1 square. Now apply the formulas for all the terms. Limit n tends to infinity to n into 2a square plus 5a by n. 4a plus 5 by n. What is the value of h? 2 by n. Sum of n minus 1 terms of ap, n minus 1 by 2. 2 by n, h square, 4 by n square. Sum of square of n minus 1 terms, n minus 1, 2n minus 1 by 6. जो भी टर्म्स कैंसिल होती है कैंसिल कर देंगे उसे. Limit n tends to infinity to a square is 1, a is 1, 2 into 1 plus 5 into 1, 4 into 1 is 4 plus 5 by n. Take n common, 1 minus 1 by n, 4 by 3 n square, n into 1 minus 1 by n and n into 2 minus 1 by n. Now put the limit n tends to infinity, 2 plus 5, 7, 9, 1 minus 0, 4 by 3, 1 minus 0 and 2 minus 0. 2 plus 16 plus 4 into 2, 8 by 3. 48 plus 8, 56 by 3, 112 by 3.